So what up, boys and girls, and welcome yet to another video. It's been a long time since I did an unboxing, but we're gonna open this package today. That is from MVMT, and they have sent me some stuff that is gonna be really fun to try out and also to see how it looks like. So they have actually sold over 1 million stylus watches in 160 countries. They also have 24-month warranty, which is really good as well. So hopefully this package will include one pair of glasses. That is like the gunner glasses that I have here laying around. As you can see, here's the gunner glasses. They're kind of worn out, and yes, I need to polish them. But I've been using these ones, but I've stopped using them because I don't think they look good enough. And this yellow tint, I don't really like this yellow tint, although it's good protection for your eyes, of course. But let's continue with this box and let's open it up. So you will actually see this for the first time, not me. Oh, this is looking beautiful. Look at that. Welcome to the MVMT, it says. So we're gonna start. I think this might be the glasses. Not pretty. Yeah, this has to be the watch actually. So let's put this one aside and let's start with the glasses, I guess. This is looking beautiful. And then we have two pieces of papers here. It says MVMT in 2013 we made a promise to create high quality minimalist products at a revolutionary price. Due to the support of our awesome fans, MVMT has become more than just a brand. We would not be here without you, it says. And then we have the package, which looks beautiful actually. High quality packaging. And let's see how the glasses looks like. Wow, the super thin edge right here, as you can see. We're gonna put away the packaging. I think you have a cloth here as well. Yes, they can wipe your glasses with. So that's super nice. The packaging looks really good. The quality is amazing. It's like solid. I think it's wood, or I think it's like plastic. I'm not really sure, but there's a magnet in it as well that closes. So let's put that one back and let's try it out. Take away the plastic film, and as you can see, these ones look so much better, and it feels high quality as well. And they're thin. They look like normal glasses, regular glasses, but these ones actually do protect your eyesight from blue light and stuff like that that comes from your monitors. So if you sit a lot in front of the computer, then you definitely need one of these ones to protect your eyes from the blue light. So let's try it on. I'm gonna have another camera that shows how they look like on me. But wow, they feel really light, because the gunners were really thick and they didn't really look like glasses, as I said before. But these ones do look like glasses, and it feels like glasses, and it doesn't have this yellow tint on them, which is super nice. So it's more realistic, and they just feel like normal glasses. But I will leave a link to the products in the description, just so you know, guys. These glasses are also unisex, so it doesn't matter what gender you are. You can use them both as a female or a male, and they suit everyone. So it's really cool that they're doing that as well. And on the inside of the glasses, it says join the MVMT, and these glasses are called Ingram, as you can see. Ingram is the name. And I love that you have the high quality casing as well when you want to pack them down for a trip or something, or just have them on your desk. And this box is pure quality as well. Really nice. So let's put this one aside and let's open the watch as well. So here we have the watch. It's plastic sealed, so we need to open up the plastic. And there you can see me in the reflection there as well, which is beautiful, right? I think you can open it like, oh, you shoot it out like this. Beautiful. Once again, great packaging. And wow, okay, welcome to the MVMT. And yes, here is the same text as the other notes, but here's our like a little bit more cards, I guess, like paper cards. On the top we have a instruction pamphlet. I think you pronounce it like that, but yeah, it's some instructions, I guess. Analog. You have analog with date function. You have chronograph. You have multifunction women and men. Don't really know what that means, but that is great that there's an option there as well. And then how to install the NATO straps for it, and also how to adjust the size. So that is a really good manual or instructions either way. I've never seen that coming with a watch though. That's really nice. And then we also have a tool here, which I've never seen either. And this is to customize it, I guess. So let's lift this one up. And there we have it. Look at that. Wow. Look at that beautiful watch. Super clean. So removing the plastic. And the metal feels, or I think it's like stainless steel or steel, but the material feels really, really good. I usually have my watch on my right side or my right wrist. I know it's weird, but let's try it on the left side here. So the tool that I got before was actually to adjust the wristband so it suits your wrist. So just place your tool like this, and then you go like that, and it pulls it off, or it pulls it up, and you can adjust the size. I think I will go like right here. So this should be better. And I like that you can adjust the size yourself, because on some watches you need to go to a store to fix the size, and I don't really like that. It should be as smooth as changing the size like this. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Really nice watch. I love it, and the design of it is just amazing. I just love the MVMT logo there as well. Looks really clean. Stainless steel, as I said before, match really good with the glasses as well. So I'm gonna rock both of these ones during the stream, of course. And I like that all the details that it has. And the name of this beautiful watch is Voyager Monochrome Mesh. I'm not sure if I pronounced the first word wrong or not, but either way, amazing clock. The glasses are super sick, and as I said before, I will leave every link in the description down below to these products, so go and check it out if you like. And this video is sponsored by MVMT, so these are the products that I picked and I like, and there's a bunch of more. I mean, I was scrolling through their website and was like, I just wanted to get everything, you know. So they have a bunch of more products. Maybe we'll see another unboxing from MVMT in the future. But super sick products, as I said before. Really amazing, good looking, good quality, both on the glasses and on the watch. So leave a like and a comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys with some more unboxing videos, and of course some other content as well. So thanks so much guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. This is Hip signing out. Peace. Love you guys.